Alright guys, we got a Mako eating our chum bag.
Get him, get him.
His teeth are caught in it. Hook that sumbitch. Woo!
How about you, Frankie?
We got a Mako hung up in our chum bag.
No, you gotta unwind that shit.
Alright guys, we rolling out on the Huntress. This is how we roll.
Get him!
Get the rope.
Stick him! We got us a Mako! Stick him!
He's in. Here, take that. Hold the rope. All right, grab it. Clean it off, man.
Clean what?
That one, the rope. Hey, hold the rope. Clean it.
It's cleated.
It's cleated?
Yes.
Come on. Just stick it, Paul. Stick it. Stick it, Paul. You got to stick it. Get a tail rope.
Oh, we got him now.
Let me go get a tail rope.
Woo! Look at that. Yeah, baby. Woo! You got him, Jake. This son of a bitch didn't get away. Woo!
Paul, it's the same one. Paul, it's the same one. Look at his nose.
That son of a bitch came out of nowhere, dude.
He did.
With a flying gaff.
That's what I was trying to figure out.
10.
He's over 10. He's 11 or 12.
To the tip, like to the tips of his tail, he's over 10.
Yeah, he's over 10.
Yeah, he's 700 pounds, dude.
Yeah.
He's 10 foot.
Is he? Really?
Yeah.
Well, he's probably 800 pounds then. That's what it takes to start to get the Mako in.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. That was every bit of teamwork. He wanted a Mako and he got one.
Awesome, man.
All right, drink position.
Who pulled that fish in? Woo! Good job, guys. Whew.
Hey, this is the same one.
Same one?
This is the same one.
Who caught that shark? I want to hear the story.
Oh God.
Who saw it first?
Paul did.
Saw it. Went ran for the fishing pole.
Man, he ain't got no teeth, does he? Pull back on the head.
Joey on a contender?
Look at that.
So.
Look at them jaws. Man.
Fishing on yesterday.
Woo. Sweet. Alright guys, we're getting them out. Uh-oh. He's too big, we can't get him out. Alright, bitch, we're gonna see what you weigh.
804.
Alright, they did it. Jake and Paul, they got the recipe together. Went out, said we're gonna catch a Mako. Made one drift, caught a Mako. You guys rock, man.
What an actual.
Alright, everybody's trying to guess what this is.
Alright.
Roll it back over, Paul, and see if it was a rib.
Vertebrae right there.
Alright, we're trying to measure now. We got a 67-inch girth. We'll do the fork. We'll do both, but we'll do the fork first. No, wait a minute.
What is it?
10-8.
10-8. And now to the 10-8 fork. And
It is
11-9, 11-10.
Yeah, that's to the tip.
11-10 on the tip of the tail.